unmatched durability, amazing precision, unparalleled comfort. The industry's best just got even better. Introducing the improved EVO cable tie application tools from HellermannTyton, the new EVOi series. From its use in automotive assembly to heavy equipment and truck manufacturing, the EVO series has already earned its reputation as the preferred cable tie application tool, and for good reason. For over a decade, it has been the only tool offering TLC, tension, lock, cut technology, to eliminate kickback and dramatically reduce arm strain for superior comfort. The EVO series always delivers the right cut, a flush cut for increased safety. The new series offers essential features like an industry-leading 33 tension settings for repeatable precision cutting, an easy-to-adjust tension knob, and quick on-site blade replacement, all combined in a durable, lightweight composite body. And yet, after listening to customers, we made significant improvements to make these tools even more durable, more precise, more comfortable. Worthy of being called industrial grade. Discover the groundbreaking EVOi series, inspired by those who use application tools every day. Built for unparalleled performance with an industry-leading 1 million cycle rating. That's 20 times longer than competing tools. And an improved overall design with an ergonomic, robust lockout tension lever for easier use, a specially molded two-shot grip for greater comfort, dependable metal hanger hooks for added convenience. EVOi series tools come calibrated from the factory and can be further adjusted as needed, meeting the demanding requirements of the medical field and other industries. The EVOi series includes 2 choices of tools to meet your application needs. Choose the EVO 7i for applying cable ties ranging from 18 to 80 pounds. Or select EVO 9i for applying 50 to 250 pound ties. It features a wider nose to accommodate those heavy-duty wider strap ties. For higher tension needs, the EVO 9 HT has you covered. EVOi tools are backed with a 6-month warranty that can be upgraded to a full year with registration after purchase. Unequaled performance, unmatched control, improved comfort. The industry's best just got even better with the EVOi series of cable tie application tools. EVO 7i and EVO 9i, 2 great new additions to the lineup of tough, reliable, and thoughtfully designed tools from HellermannTyton.